In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install NVIDIA graphics card drivers. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you've just bought a new PC, for example, or just built a computer or even upgraded to an NVIDIA graphics card, installing the correct drivers is essential. Without them, your GPU will not perform properly and you'll miss out on features, performance, and stability. I'm going to show you two official methods, so you could choose whatever one works best for you, but make sure that you do have an internet connection and a web browser already installed. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. But essentially, go ahead and open up a web browser, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is search for NVIDIA app, just like so. Hit enter, go to the official NVIDIA site, and you're going to see an option that says download now for the NVIDIA app. Select it, go through the installation process. Just keep in mind this app is free, but it is a large download, so give it a moment. I actually already have the app, so I'm just opening up right now. But open up the app. It's going to ask you to sign into your account, or maybe not even ask you to sign into your account since you don't have to all the time. But what you're going to want to do is look for this little drivers tab right here, select this, and then from here, go ahead and find the option up in the top right that says Game Ready Driver, best for gaming, or Studio Driver, best for creative apps. Go ahead and hit download and install. Wait for the installation to complete, and just like that, your drivers are going to be installed and ready. Now, you can also manually download those drivers, and to do this, you just press the little search button, and then you go ahead and type in Device Manager. Open that up, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Well, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down until you see the Display Adapters tab right here. Open that up, find your drivers on here, and then right-click on it. And then there's going to be either an install drivers option on here or an update drivers option on here. Go ahead and select one of those two options and select search automatically for drivers, and then go ahead and install it on here if there is obviously one to install. I already have mine installed and they're already updated, so it's not going to show it on here. But essentially, you just click on this, hit enter, and you're good to go. You could choose whatever method works best for you. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.